Okay, I'm going to introduce our FPGA game called Memory Game. The catalog includes motivation, code, the rule, and demonstration, and next one is the feedback. Okay, the motivation, and we found a game on Nintendo Switch, and this game includes a lot of little games, and one of these little game is called Photo of the Moment Before. So we decided to use the FPGA to implement this game, and I will introduce how this game works. First, and in question 1, they will show you a photo, and you must to be memorize this photo. And in question 2, you must answer the question 1's photo and memorize question 2's photo. And in question 3, you must to answer the question 2's photo and memorize question 3's photo, and so on. Let's show how the game works. So this is the question 1's photo, and you must to be answer in the question 2. This is question 2, and you must answer question 1's photo, and so on. Okay, the next is our very low code. First one is declare. The module declares various registers and wires used in the logic. And the next one is the divider. And this block generates a slower clock by dividing the input clock. And it can divide the input clock into 1 Hz. And the next one is the detector. This block handles the timing for user inputs and detects if the user has lost. And the next one is the initialize and process. This block initializes the game and process user inputs. The next one is 7-segment displays. This block updates the 7-segment displays based on the score and loss states. And next is our rule and demonstration.
The way we play our products, and during playing our product, you need to do first is to press the reset button. And when you press the reset button, you will get the question number 1, and then you need to remember it. Remember these LED patterns, and press send button to get question number 2. And when you enter in the question number 2, there are 2 things you need to do. One is you need to remember the question number 2's pattern, and another thing is you need to answer the question 1 LED pattern with the button. And with the button, you play the send. You press the send button, and the program will verify if your answer is equal to question number 1, and if yes, you come to question number 3. And the same thing you need to do is to remember question number 3 and answer the pre-pattern of the LED pattern. Like this answer number 2 is equal to question number 2 is this. And so you need to remember all the pre-pattern and answer in the next question. At the same time, you remember the new LED patterns. Okay, now we do it. And for introduce, I will turn off the time function first. And the time function is that you need to answer all the question in 10 seconds. If you're thinking or you forgot the pattern more than 10 seconds, then the progress will display you loops. Okay. Now we first press the reset button, and you remember the pattern on the LED side, like this 0, 2, 4, 6, and 9. Okay, and you press the send button, then you get a 1 point. And now you need to remember the question 2 is LED 1, 3, 5, and 7. But at the same time, you need to use button to answer the pre-pattern of LED. Is question 1. Here is 0, 1, 4, 6, and 9. Okay. Is the pre-pattern of the LED. And now, remember this LED pattern because you need to answer it in the next question. Okay. 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay. And you press the same button. You will get 2 points. And now enter the pre-pattern. And remember, now LED pattern is 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. Press 7. Okay. Now, same. 2, 4, 6, 8. You remember it's 0, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Okay. Press. You can play it for 999 points at max. But if you answer the wrong answer, like the pre-pattern of the LED is 0, 3, 5, 7, 9. But now I press the wrong answer in the button, and you press send, and the system will say you lose, and you play send again. You can get your score of this time. Okay. Then you press the reset button, and you can play again. Reset the time function in the process. So now if you answer more than 10 seconds or you forget it and you think more than 10 seconds, the system will say you lose. Okay. And you click the reset button and remember the LED button and play send and answer the pattern and remember the pattern now. Okay, now if we pretend I forgot the pattern last, or pretend I'm thinking more than 10 seconds, and the system will, if time is more than 10 seconds, the system will display you lose.
Okay, and next one is the feedback from my roommates and my sisters. And that's our presentation, and thank you.